This looks like a war zone. Got all my clothing. Here's all my gear. These are my new hiking shoes. I got them especially for this trip because I didn't have any, that I definitely need to get some for Half Dome. There it is, all ready to go. Good morning.
Good morning.
So majority of the trip, I've been blinded by the sun, so I've had to keep my eyes closed a couple times, like that. We're still driving into the village, but we had to make a quick pit stop to take a bathroom break. And it was literally a horror film, right?
Yes, horror. Horror. Ah, look at that rock.
We're going to food. I'm so excited. I'm so hungry. Ready.
Yeah, I'm thinking like 42, right?
We're walking now a total of 5 miles to get to our destination, so here we go. This is where the incline starts. Up we go.
This is what we train for, people. All of those air squats, it's all come to this.
Half Dome. Woo woo! We started up the trail. Raging River's over there. No idea what it's called. Mountains up here. Oh God. I think we just started too. But this incline is extreme. And Jen's ahead in the race. She's speed walking like a beast. I put on my hat because it was still sunny. How you doing back there, guys?
Awesome! Woo!
This is definitely an incline for 99% of it. Driving is 50 pounds.
All right.
Drinking station. Super slippery and super wet right now. I'm soaking wet from all this mist. It's so misty and I'm not sweating anymore. Hiking up uneven stairs. Doing really good. We just went through the waterfall and got super soaked. And now we do a stair workout. Good thing we work out. We still have that much more to go. All the way up. We made it to the top of the waterfall. That was quite a hike. We were once those people. All the way down there.
Casualty. It's real.
They're looking good.
Right.
Climbing up these cool rocks. I'm enjoying it. Still an uphill battle, but loving it. Getting used to the pack. And we're still climbing up. We're still alive, somehow, but thank God for step-ups. Thank goodness that I did those so many times. And Chad with a weight vest, so that was good practice. Over 4 miles.
Most of it straight uphill.
Yeah, most of it's been straight uphill, but we've been trekking along.
And we're the only people with giant backpacks anywhere.
I've learned the key to this hiking is to just keep looking down, because if you look up, it's demoralizing since it's continual switchback and always uphill. So you gotta look down. It's a lot safer, and you don't see what's coming. Just keep going, moving forward, onward and upward. My legs hurt, but it's all good. Maybe less than a mile to Little Yosemite, but we just gotta keep climbing. Luckily, there's some shady spots, and there's not like rock trails anymore. It's nice, like kind of uphill sand, which is nice. A different scenery to look at when you're looking down. But we're almost there. Gotta be larger than life. I need a hero. We made it. We're here. Well, at the campground. Sort of. Just a little more. This sign gave me hope though. What a jerk sign. They lied. We're still walking to nothing. I don't know what this is. This isn't Campground Village. It's just nothing, full of nothingness. And we're still walking. Made it to the campsite. We hiked about 5 miles. My Fitbit tells me I did at least 20,000 steps and a billion stairs probably. There was a lot of stairs. My feet definitely hurt, and I definitely want to relax and get ready for Half Dome tomorrow. Now we're getting our tent. We successfully put up a tent. First time, I think. First time for you? No, first time for me. Let's go check on the other people. They're just across the way. That's where we're gonna have game night. He just doesn't care. He's so close to us. We have reached the river. Julia living life. We got our water and we soaked our feet in the freezing cold water because it's pretty much melted snow. Now we're just hanging out at the beach, and soon we're gonna go back up to the campsite and make some food. We got our bear box with all our stuff in it, so we're super safe. Lock it up like that and they can't get in. Food time.
Okay, so
What are we having, Chef Jen?
we're having pasta and chicken.
Insta salad. The death grip on the one side, I promise.
Good.
Living the good life. First meal, chicken salad.
Total chicken broth.
Second course.
So we are packing up our camp to take all of our dishes to the river to wash them.
Headlamp.
And then we are going to tie off our food that needs to be refrigerated. This water should be between refrigerator temperature and the temperature of the Pacific Ocean, we figure, so it's better than the bear box, we've decided.
I'm in my tent, ready for bed. We're climbing Half Dome tomorrow really early, and so I gotta get my rest.